Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch to a professional account on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile icon at the lower right corner of the screen and tap to the three lines at the upper right corner of the page. Click to the settings and privacy option and go to the for professionals section and click to the account type and tools button. Here you can find the first option, the switch to professional account, and click to the continue button. And here select a professional type, for example education, beauty, editor, writer, gamer, restaurant or artist. Select one and click to the done button. This will take 5 minutes and your professional account is done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.